Today we are talking about top 7 fruits for weight loss. To burn fat, you cannot rely on foods or supplements. You also need to reduce the total calories that you take. You have to increase physical activity levels by doing exercises regularly. What do you think? Can eating fruits help to reduce some weight? When part of a healthful diet and lifestyle, the right fat burners may help speed up weight loss. So let's count down the best fat burning fruits and how they help us reduce some weight. Number 1. Apples. Apples are low in calories and high in fiber. They have also been found to support weight loss. Research shows to reduce hunger and control appetite, the best way is eating whole rather than juiced. You can try different ways, adding them to hot and cold cereals, yogurt, and salads, or baking them on their own. Number 2. Citrus fruits. Orange, lemon, lime, grapefruits. Citrus fruits are low in calories and high vitamin C, yet their water and fiber contents help fill you up. Studies have found that the eating whole fruit is good rather than drinking fruit juices. It will reduce hunger and calorie intake but also increase feeling of fullness. You can be eating alone or add it into your favorite salad or dessert. Number 3. Avocados. Avocados are a great source of several vitamins, minerals, healthy fats and fiber. Those who ate avocados tended to have healthier diet, a lower risk of metabolic syndrome, and a lower body weight than those who didn't eat avocados. Avocados may even help prevent weight gain. You can eat as a replacement for butter or margarine on bread and toast and add them to salads, smoothies or dips. Number 4. Bananas. When trying to lose weight, some people avoid bananas due to their high sugar and calorie content. While bananas are more calorie dense than many other fruits, they are also more nutrient dense, supplying potassium, magnesium, manganese, fiber, numerous antioxidants, and vitamin A, B6 and C. It helps to control insulin levels and regulate weight, particularly for people who have diabetes. The study illustrated that eating a banana per day reduced both blood sugar and cholesterol in people with high cholesterol. Bananas can be enjoyed on their own as a convenient on-the-go snack or added either raw or cooked to a wide variety of dishes. Number 5. Kiwi fruit. Kiwi fruits are small brown fruits with bright green or yellow flesh and tiny black seeds. Very nutrient dense, kiwis are an excellent source of vitamin C, vitamin E, folate and fiber and have significant health benefits. Studies note that kiwis can help control blood sugar, support gut health and weight loss benefits. Kiwis are rich in dietary fiber. One small peeled fruit has over 2 grams of fiber, while the skin alone provides 1 extra gram of fiber. You can also be juiced, used in salad, added to your morning cereal, or used in baked goods. Number 6. Berries. Strawberry, blueberry, raspberry. Blueberries contain vitamin C and manganese as well as 18% for vitamin K. Strawberries contain dietary fiber as well as vitamin C and almost 30% for manganese. Eating berries may help decrease cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure. Low inflammation, which may be particularly helpful to people who are overweight. You can add it to cereal or yogurt for breakfast, blended in a healthy smoothie, mixed into baked fruits, or toasted in a salad. Number 7. Watermelon. Watermelons are low in calories and have a high water content, which makes them help to reduce weight. It is low in calories, rich in fiber, potassium, and antioxidants such as vitamin C, beta-carotene, and lycopene. You can be enjoyed fresh, cubed, or boiled to add it into a fruit salad. So easily blended into fruit smoothies or frozen into fruit popsicles. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching and see you next time.